ibhlungu kanjani eBlock 5 front opposite nakanowa if not front opposite yabona uNowa mos
Noah's Ark.
Yeah, I think ifront opposite bekhona lo mama womsuthu ohlala lapha yana. Emuva bekhohla umuntu ubhuti omude weshangana ngangikhohlwe igama lakhe. Ehlala nomunye sisi womzulu omuhle. The way lo yabhuti bekashaya lo yasisi ngakhona. Besibona.
And no one did anything.
Ene bekamshaya. And besibona. It's not as if besingaboni. Thina we allowed it. Ukuthi amshaye the way akamshaya ngakhona.
And naye yazi ukuthi akunamuntu ozosho nix, akunamuntu ozokwenza nix.
Amshaye azamshaya estradini amkhudule ngenyawo. Sibuka sibhekile and then we did nothing. Khona manje lo yasisi omuhle hle womzulu bafethu baseswanevile you know her. Ubheme inyawo pe uhamba estradini ngumntwana omncane uhamba nabafana benyawo pe. It's like that beautiful sister obe ene ekhona usisi umuhle womzulu ene bekuyintanga zethu futhi ngaleso sikhathi. Mthatha lo yaphuta umbhalele wami ubhulu umntwana abantu khona manje mfethu you'd feel adlula siyo namabhruku ayayilengela ene siyamazi sonke ene we were there, we saw this
and
happening. We did nothing. Indaba zabo bazosibonela. That must come to an end. Like honestly, until that comes to an end, then there won't be a solution because of lo muntu akaziboni ukuthi lo muntu uyabusiwe. Lo muntu unikwa ama reasons ukuthi why ngiyenza loyo nto leyo. Lo muntu uyahlanya lo ekhanda lakhe akekho aware but she's psychologically damaged in a way yokuthi she cannot even see the difference between wrong no right. We understand that the wrong she receives right akamazi. We understand that this person is sick. When yourself you were sick.
I know.
We understand that you were sick. We understand until you woke up. You depended on this person. You loved this person.
That is why now I can even identify.
You can even identify.
Yes.
Now that person until they wake up, they will never see. Those people are sick. And it is umsebenzi wethu as a community to say no, enough is enough. Yazi umuntu abuser mfethu usaba kanje. Umuntu oshayayo, especially umuntu oshaya umuntu wesimame. Mfethu usaba kabi ukushawa.
Oh yeah.
Yazi lo muntu makangayenza nje wabanjwa nje wabambathwa kahle. Don't kill. Akashaywe to say anginawo namandla okushaya umunye umntwana.
Yeah.
Then yizwa nawe lento akayifilayo. Uyangathanda.
Promote violence when.
Right. Then if kumele kube kanjalo then akube kanjalo. I'm not promoting violence but I'm saying lo muntu lona uinflicta ipain komunye umuntu.
Eye for an eye.
Uyangathanda. Akayizwe naye let him azwe taste medicine yakhe. Uyangathanda. Ama chances ukuthi lo muntu naye uzoyiyekela lento le akayenzayo akhona phezulu futhi angayiyekela naye out of fear ukuthi yabona yangidelela ufuna ukuthi ngikushaye bangishaye as long as angamshayanga.
Yeah, I hear you. If you remember the tragedy that happened at Block 6, the guy ugele bengasamfuni wathi ufuna amalobolo wakhe for the fact that the family yavuma ukumnikeza amalobolo wakhe, then that's where he saw that it's the end of the marriage. Wafika dubula kwasani. Dubula kati mntwana nja kwasani esejardini.
Yabo.
Because of those people, abuse was there and no one did anything about it until the urge of it now, because of he used to get away with it, and this time around it's over.
Yeah.
So if angeke utholwe yimi akufanelanga utholwe nobani. But now umthola akekho ufika ubudubula labani ukuthi niyamazi ukuphi umfazi wami lo ya.
Yabona.
I hear you.
Yafana nathi khona manje umngane uthi uqeda kusigilela imikhuba.
Thank you for reminding me of that.
Qeda kusigilela imikhuba like thina we don't know. No, la Isoneville.
Yeah.
Yabo. So like uguy like bekhona na ku Facebook, begcwele na ku Facebook. Begcwele na ku Facebook.
Then uzobe mosi wena awugiqa magula it's out
no,
there.
Yeah,
what's
no, it's out there ondondo. Igcwele na ku Facebook nabantwana bakubo bavelile bathi mara malume why kumele wenze kanje nobaba wakho uvelile wathi no lo mntwana wami like it was because of lo muntu lo he's a good guy. He's a very good guy like umuntu ongananqina umuntu sibloma sonke siphuza sonke out right. But kwenzekile uya understand. What happened is bathufikile and then washaya umfazi wakhe and then maqeda kushaya umfazi wakhe and then wangamisa esibhedlela same time engathi wamvalela or something like that.
Yeah. And then she had internal bleedings.
Yeah, and then waba nama internal bleedings la sekazo jumpa khona ukuthi mara engathi lo muntu aka respond khane yofuna transport.
Yeah.
You understand? Maka ufuna transport uyafika lapho transport yamthatha imisa esibhedlela makaqeda nje ungena esibhedlela bathi no
Brain damage.
yeah no it's over she's dead nisilethele isidumbu we cannot even
Kanta ba tsamaisa mosadi ka gate khala tlhokafaditse ka go tlhokafalla mo ntlong wa mo shapileng ka teng ene breita ona re na le ene le mosadi ga ga ba kutile ngwana ba ile go reka dipira ko matshangana ka mo past 9 to 10 story ba ba ga ba se bua ba re ka mosadi ga go jele 600 rand o berekise 600 rand without knowledge ya monna o re yang ga ke tlhaloganya kana mare ba re we can tell you ba re mantse ba le kaofela ke ntwe makatsang.
and then but uyizwe ne ayiqali la
mosadi ya gagwe ga tona se a pata tlagele ba mone go ke motho le ka khala kgaogile e ba ntse ba bitsa ka di-1-1 ga ke fiko consultation room gone podisi staff be ba ba kwalela ba bitsa mapodisi a ke se go etsagetseng maybe statement sa sebila ke tse ba buile story sa eng gore ba ba bodiseng londo e ba tlagaeng mapodisi gape ba motsa mo a bone maabane mo ntlong bosigo ka one mosadi tsamele bosigo be maabane ka bo past 6 ba potla ba mo isa ko leratong ha boa e ba tlagaeng mapodisa one a fitlhile mo ntlong a tlisa diaparo e ba fa ba tsalele ndondo tla.
and then uyizwe ne it was not the first time
so it was ireason ukuthi angaboshelwa from esibhedlela kukhulunywe amanga
kusho njalo ngicela ungiplayele lena to show ukuthi it was a cycle.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, I think le ngiphosi yeah.
No it took up ya gape kawane ba na ile mo ke motho go tlotse go phela tsala ntse mosadi gona re itse gona tlhala lwa tsa go nna ke motse le motho tla la ntse mosadi ba bua no yana ga tene le motho tla a molantsha ga ba fetsa gona nnete weekend le weekend yo.
Then none of you guys knew.
And you cannot tell me ukuthi no even though singazi bebeyazi bona ukuthi umuntu ojwayele ukumshaya every weekend. Sli I cannot ngokushaye to the point of death ungascream.
It's impossible.
Lesikhathi lokuscreama bapha abantu. Because of course
abajwayele
ukushaya. That's the mentality.
Njengala just le ntuzana le building le jwayelekile nje ukuthi bayashayana. Usisi uye wazilahlela from allegedly uzilahlele yena ngokwakhe. Akaphushwanga. Kodwa abantu bebehlala beshayana indoda umshaya all the time. What will be the first thing uyicabangayo? Uphushiwe.
Yes.
Yabona. So izinto ezisho ukuthi no one cared ukuthi bayashana like mabeqala isikole hayi vele into zabo sesijwayele.
But why kumele singakhathali?